Hi everyone, welcome back to Go Fries. This is the PNY Accelerate Gaming RTX 4070 Super graphics card. So it is an upgrade from the Super, and unlike the 4070 series that you can see, they are still powered by 8-pin PCIe. This one is powered by the 12-volt high power, but even so, it actually does not draw that high of a power, just about 200 over watts, and therefore it runs very cool. I couldn't even be bothered with the temperature reading. But let's talk about the performance. Is it worth the upgrade going from 4070 to 4070 Super? Now, if you're using a 4070, I would recommend sticking to the 4070, unless of course you do want that slight performance boost. Now, for someone who is choosing between a 4070 and a 4070 Super, definitely you can consider the 4070 Super. Now, let's look at the benchmarks here on my usual set of games. You see that the 4070 Super does have quite a performance lead over the 4070. When I average up the numbers, the 4070 Super seems to be almost 20% faster than the 4070, and this is at 1440p gaming resolution, no ray tracing and DLSS. So what does this tell you? Well, the 4070 Super is a very welcome addition to the Nvidia lineup. The 4070 cards will still be around. However, the 4070 Super is one that is priced just a little bit higher. Now, if I'm comparing the same product stack, let's say PNY's own Accelerate Gaming 4070 compared to the Accelerate Gaming 4070 Super, the price difference is not even 10%, but you get almost 20% of additional performance. So I think the 4070 Super is worth considering if you can hold on a bit, save up a little more, and pay the little bit extra to get the performance. You just have to factor in that it's using a different connection, but after all, a card that uses the 12-volt high power connection always comes with an adapter where you can connect the 8-pin PCIe, of which in this case you use just 2. Alright, with that we come to the end of this video. One last thing though, for those of you in Malaysia, if you see this yellow sticker on the box, you know that it's authentic. It's by the distribution company Fusion Tech Supply, who is the sole distributor of PNY products. And when you purchase one with that yellow sticker, you're rest assured of authenticity and the support you get. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Do remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and bye bye. Stay on. I have footages of the RTX 4070 Super's performance at 1440p. Thanks for watching.